Hello. So, I got something I am very happy about. The Dumbledore's Army Wand Collection. It comes with 6 wands. Harry's, Hermione's, Ron's, Ginny's, Neville's, and Luna's. So, I am going to have an unboxing today of this lovely thing. It wasn't cheap neither. So, anyway. So, I have done my unboxing, and what we've got is we have Harry's, which has got this kind of awesome rough look to it, like it was just haphazardly molded into a wand. And then we have my favorite, Hermione's wand. I just love the intricate vine work on there. It's so pretty. Hermione's wand. Then we have Ron's, which is a little bit like Harry's, but it actually looks a touch more refined. It looks used, probably because, Weasley's used hand-me-down wands. Then we have Ginny's, which looks a little newer. Almost kind of looks like part of a metal gate or something. It kind of doesn't look wood, it looks almost metal. It's a simple design, but it's very sleek looking. It's very simple and sleek. I like it. Then we have Neville's, which has a little loop-de-loop curl around the handle, which I like. It's got an interesting context. And then we have Luna's wand, Luna Lovegood, and I really love the little etches in there as well. This is another pretty one that I really like. I already have a replica of Sirius's wand. That was the first one that got me hooked on collecting things like this. Oh, I love it. And so anyway, I'm gonna get the stand out and show you what the stand looks like, and then I'm gonna show you what the stand looks like with all the wands on it. So, alright. So here's what it looks like. It's got all the names and where they're supposed to go. So, obviously, I'm going to put all of them on so you can just see how they're all supposed to go. Alright. So here's what it looks like with all the wands on them. And it has little hooks in the back so you can hang it to your wall, and this is what it's going to look like. Oh, I'm so happy with this. It looks so pretty. Just for extra measure, I thought I'd show you Sirius's wand. Yes! Sirius Black. My favorite wand. When I'm my favorite characters in Harry Potter. This guy right here. I cried like a baby when Bellatrix killed him. Like, I was like, no, Sirius, no! But anyway, so those are all the wands that I have right now. So I'm attempting to collect all of them. So stay tuned for that. And thank you very much.